Hello, my name is Stella. In this video, we are going to continue learning about medical words or terminologies. Pain. But pain is in many places. Either you have headache, back pain, toothache, your eyes are paining, all that is pain. Body pain, you sign it as pain. Scan. A scan. Test. A blood sample is to be taken, that is a test. A vaccine. Vaccine. Headache, sickness, or fever. A person who is sick, that's a patient, they need blood. They need blood. Pressure, blood pressure. Diabetes. Diabetes. Surgery. Surgery, like how the skin is part and cut. In summary, the signs for today can be repeated as we have pain, I have headache, body pain, back pain, or joint pain. Toothache, all that is pain. Scan. Test. Vaccine. Sickness or fever. Patient, a sick person. Blood. Pressure. Diabetes. Surgery. Please remember always to like and subscribe to our channels below. Thank you.